The abdomen can be sensitive to swelling and holding fluid, which can cause discomfort and cause further backup of swelling from the pelvic and leg regions. My name is Kelly. I am a certified lymphedema and oncology physical therapist. And in this video, let's go step by step through a lymphatic drainage routine to help move fluid from the abdominal and pelvic area for swelling. So we're about to dive right in, but if you have any new symptoms or pain, always check with your doctor for clearance for safety. It's also best to do this routine directly on the skin if you're able, and this is something that can be done daily as a routine. First, let's start with 4 deep breaths to help stimulate the deeper lymphatic structures that are in the abdomen and the trunk. This will help increase flow for the lymphatic fluid through the large vessels back towards the heart. So the first thing we want to do is to stimulate the lymph nodes that are deep in the lymphatics with 4 deep breaths. First, we can place our hand on our abdomen, gently pressing inward. Take a nice big deep breath into your belly. Feel your belly expand into your hand. Pause, and then slowly exhale your breath. Then we'll repeat 3 more times. So big breath in through your belly and out. Breath in and out. And one more big breath in and out. Next, we want to stimulate the lymph nodes that are in the groin or the inguinal lymph nodes, as well as the armpit areas. This will help make sure that all the fluid in the abdomen region can go to the appropriate lymph nodes to then clear back to the heart. And so we can put our hands right where that sitting crease is. You can do this laying down, standing, or sitting, but your hands right there, ideally directly on skin if able. And we'll do 8 to 10 circles right in that area to help stimulate those lymph nodes. After we've done those lymph nodes, then we want to do the axillary lymph nodes, which are the armpit lymph nodes. So we can take our hand, put it directly in the armpit, and we can do 8 to 10 circles in either direction, right in the armpit. And then we can do the same thing on the other side. After we've stimulated all the lymph nodes, then we're ready to do our lymphatic drainage for the abdomen. We want to think about drawing a line down the middle of the body and across at the belly button level, and then we have made 4 sections or 4 quadrants with our abdomen. And we want to think, if we have a healthy lymphatics, that depending on what section you're in, you move towards the appropriate lymph nodes in that area. So the lower sections below the belly button on either side go to the lymph nodes in the groin. And then same thing, if you're above the belly button and then on either on the left or the right, you go to the left or right axillary lymph nodes. So we start low or below the belly button. We want to be able to work in 3 to 5 strokes, again, ideally directly on the skin, towards the lymph nodes on that side. So you might be working downwards, where some people think you work directly towards the heart. And although yes, this fluid goes to the heart, it has to go through these lymph nodes in the groin before it can make its way back up directly towards the heart. So we're working actually downwards towards the lymph nodes, from the middle over towards the lymph nodes. And then if we're working on the back or the hip, you're working around the body towards the lymph nodes. If someone can reach, they can do the entire back, or they can get help from a friend or a family member, but working aroundwards towards the front. After you've done one section, we're going to do the same thing on the other. So working towards the groin or towards the lymph nodes. And then working around from the side towards the front. Spending 3 to 5 strokes in each area, or spending a couple minutes in each area depending on what someone needs. And then after we've done the lower abdomen, for the upper abdomen, you think of belly button and above, and again, think of the middle, so the left versus the right. If we're in the left, we're working towards that armpit on that side. So we're working upward strokes, up in the direction of the abdomen, or even on the side of the body, upwards towards that armpit. 3 to 5 strokes in each area. And then same thing for the right side, working up towards the right armpit from the side of the body or even around the back towards the armpit on the right side. And after you've spent as much time as you'd like or you need in each section of the abdomen, again, working around the back, working around the hips, whatever someone may need. Then we want to go back and finish with 4 more deep breaths. So hand on the abdomen, the belly, gently pressing inwards, big breath in through the belly and out through the mouth. Good, breath in through the nose, right into your belly and out. Breath in and out. And one more big breath in and out. And that's a full routine for lymphatic drainage massage for the abdomen area. Be sure to check out the other lymphatic drainage videos on my channel for other areas of the body, and you can join us on Instagram or check out my website for more resources. Other than that, I hope you all found this video helpful, and we'll see you all in the next video. Thanks, everyone.